Hello, I'm Jean-Boy, Director of HORNET.
Hello, I'm Charlie Pinedo, Head of Operations for CERBAIR.
Today at Eurosatory 2022, we have on display our CUAS solution based on our remote control weapon station, HORNET. First step to provide such capability is to detect drone, and this is where we took contact with CERBAIR.
At CERBAIR, we are solely specialized on drone detection systems. We have developed the HYDRA sensor to detect drones multiple kilometers away, 100% passively, undetectable, and being able to engage them with the HORNET remote weapon system.
Thanks to this unit architecture, we believe that we will convince the French Army and our export customer to choose our solution. Thank you.
Thank you.